How to save your Instagram story to gallery. So to do that, after you open your phone like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this profile section. As you can see, now you can be able to see all your stories. So as you can see, now I posted all these stories. So if I want to save my story to gallery, all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see, now tap on this more at the bottom right side. After you tap on this more, now it will give you a button which says save. As you can see now, save photo. So if it is video, it will give you a button which says save video. So now tap on this save button, it will save your story to your gallery. As you can see, it says save to camera roll. So this is video. If I want to save this video, tap on this more at the bottom right side again and tap on this save video. It will save the video for you. But if you can't find the option for saving on your Instagram story, all you have to do now, after you open the story like this one, now tap on this more at the bottom right side. After you open the story, tap on this more and tap on this story settings. So now scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, tap on this option. As you can see now, which says save story to gallery. So make sure you turn on this option. If you turn on this option like this, as you can see now it will automatically save your story to your phone. Whenever you posted an Instagram story, it will save the story to your phone without just following this process of saving it by yourself. It will just automatically save the story to your phone. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.